Sneeze. What's not happening? But welcome to the vlog. So if you didn't just see my TikTok that I put up just then, well, you're seeing this a week later, but on that Monday, received the new Bondi Boost Wave. I'm so excited. This today, I'll do a tutorial. Guys, I haven't sit down like this in ages with you guys. I'm sorry, I've been really MIA. I just haven't been in the MySpace really to vlog. Or like I just didn't want to vlog and I just had nothing to contribute, but I'm back on the grind. Took me 6 months, but back on the grind. I'm hungry, so let's go get some food. I think I want to make a coffee. I haven't had a coffee since Thursday morning, and you know how much I love my coffee. COVID really fucked me there. When you're hungry, your brain's like, cue, go eat. I have not had any social cues to go eat or like I'm hungry. Weird. But I do want coffee, so. It's my motherfucking birthday, y'all. I'm 26. And I feel so good. Why does it hit like my birthday all the time and it's always freezing? I just realized I should be vlogging this, but I'm on outfit number 2. That's the bag I was wearing with the shoes. This is outfit number 2. The leather blazer. This blazer is actually from Glassons last year. Knew it was gonna be a staple piece. These tops are like a dupe for the Kukai ones. They are from Supre and don't mind my mess. These pants are actually from Cotton On. I was trying to find a black pair. And if I was going out tonight, I would pair it with these freaking gorgeous Nine West little heels. Stunning bag. Like, could this not be any more cuter? This is what I would wear out, but I'm fucking COVID. I hate my life. But whatever. Let's move on for number 3, which I don't really know what other outfit I'm thinking, but this is the 3rd outfit. This is a White Fox jumper. Oh wait, 100% go to the true size that you want, because I know there's a small, medium, and then a medium to large. I was hesitant to get the medium to large, but amazing. Heaps of French kisses. I'm gonna take a picture right here. So I'm done taking content because I just did heaps of TikToks. I also just did heaps of photos. Now my room looks like this. I mean, it was always like this because I had to put this away anyway. But that's what I'm doing my birthday, making content, which I kind of love. But I'm gonna do a time lapse. Me cleaning my room.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you
jump her back on, and hopefully it'll not get makeup on it, or it's straight in the wash. Actually, coffee time. It wouldn't be Taylor Jane's vlog without coffee, and especially would not be her birthday without. We're gonna probably have a hot coffee today because it's kind of fucking freezing. Anyone cares? This is a coffee machine I use. Coffee machine I use. I think it's the Nespresso something, but I got it last Christmas actually, and this is a milk frother I use. That bad boy's from Aldi. And if you love it, the coffee I use actually is the little Starbucks little pods. I've actually started using the Starbucks Blonde Espresso Roast. My ear just unblocked. You can hear. I get a lot of questions about where these are from. ASMR. IKEA actually. IKEA, Starbucks pods, and these are just from Target. Hang on, I'm just gonna text my man to grab me some of those pods. All right, message has been sent. That's all I got for now. My mom is actually gonna bring over some food, leave it at the bottom of my stairs, but I don't know what I want. Yeah, so I use the It's Sissy cream, and I haven't used that in a while, and I'm obsessed. Not annoying, but milk gets spilt up on the bottom, and I don't know why. Take by the horns and just, oh, gotta sneeze. Oh. Do all the things you do when it's your bloody birthday and everyone calls you and messages you and all that cheeky jazz. But that is what I'm going to do right now. Don't mind my lounge room. Let's pull you down there. I'm looking at the ocean and that is literally bliss for me. This weekend I do want to go to the ocean, but whatever. Okay. Ooh. Cheeky birthday present.
Did you? No.
This smells banger. Oh, so nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Huh? Cute.
Happy COVID birthday.
Thanks.
Just put it up on the thing.
Cute.
Oh, okay.
Just to see, because it's changed.
Yeah.
Their own fucking. But they're calling it.
Yeah, I can't breathe.
Yeah, boy.
Good boy. No, I watched Stranger Things. Yeah, but I need to wait 14 days to get the other one. Wow, do not mind the room. Today's fit. Cool. Is this a cool girl vibe? Because I need to know. I want to be kind of a cool kid. Shoes are Connie's. These cool pants are actually from Cotton On. And then this jumper actually is from Kmart. I love that for me. But I'm actually just about to put on some perfume that I got yesterday for my birthday. This is her. She's gorgeous. Literally a lot goes a long way. Coffee time. Don't even look at my kitchen. Don't make eye contact with the kitchen. Big boy brought her some pals. Right out of milk. Oh, water. Cute. Hold it up. We have coffee, ladies and gentlemen. Queen, I've been real cute. Oh my god. It smells so good. Oh, my back is so sore. I bet at OOTD. rubbish. Alright, let's just. Good morning, everyone. I'm not gonna lie, it is 2:30 in the afternoon. But I'm making a tea. I know why today is all days. I've felt more shit. But I might do a montage of me unpacking this dishwasher. They're always fun to film.
It's 18 degrees and sunny. Today, it'll be sunny with a forecast high of 18 and a low of 7.
Period. It is fucking freezing. Caramel, honey, and vanilla. Look how nice. I don't know if you can see the steam. Again, if people ask, these are from IKEA. My balloons are still alive. They keep freaking me out because I always think someone's coming in, but it's just the sound of the balloons. This morning, yes, I cleaned my house. Did not show you because it was batshit boring. Guys, are you guys playing Animal Crossing anymore? Is anyone actually doing that? Because we should play Animal Crossing together. She's out. Okay, so I was literally just gonna get a tattoo, which is not off the cards because I do want one, just not today. Back in the car. Ooh, just sit there for a minute. Hang on. Didn't really think I gave you an outfit of the day. Literally what I wore the other day. The infamous haul. Thumbnail vibes. That you didn't ask for but you're gonna get. I went to TK Maxx. They had the Benefit Hello Happy foundation. So I bought a long sleeve top because I realized I don't have any winter attire tops. Not a lot of tops. So I brought this crew neck cardigan bang. That is her. From Glassons. Happy birthday to me. For your birthday, I always get like emails being like, happy birthday, come receive your birthday gift or your birthday whatever. So went to Mecca. Beauty loop bonus. You've already seen on TikTok if you are. This is my beauty loop. It is a Mecca Cosmetica cleansing oil, which I've really been into cleansing oils. Cute. I love the cute little boxes they come in. And if you are not getting testers from Mecca, there's something wrong. There's something wrong. Because you should always be getting testers before you get the real deal. Then actually from Priceline, got some cute little like these. Priceline at Garden City has the Ordinary, and I got the Niacinamide and Hydramonic. I'm gonna have a shower.